You know it. Don't know it. You know.
Shalom, brothers and sisters. Welcome back to my channel, Be Like Christ. I'm Brian, and the the I have autoimmune conditions that I treat with animal-based diet, so I feel pretty fit from that. So, are you ready? Are you tired of looking like a toothpick? I'm ready to pump you up like Hans and Franz. Welcome. Today's video, where we'll be diving into how to build up muscle on an animal-based diet. I'm going to share some protein-rich meal ideas that will fuel your gains. So let's get started. Animal-based is the best for building muscle because of all the complete proteins containing all essential acids our bodies need. They're highly bioavailable, meaning your body can easily use them for muscle synthesis. Before we get to the meals, let's cover some basics. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. And maintain a 1-to-1 fat to protein ratio or higher. Include our organ meats for micronutrients. Stay hydrated and consider electrolyte supplementation. So let's explore some delicious muscle building meals, protein rich. For breakfast, you can have steak and eggs. There's an 8-ounce ribeye steak with 4 hot legs and 2 teaspoons of butter. Cook the steak to your liking. Fry the eggs in the butter. This meal packs on 70 grams of protein and healthy fats to kickstart your day. For lunch, salmon and liver pate, 6 ounces of wild-caught salmon, 2 ounces of liver pate, 1 tablespoon of ghee, if you don't want to use the ghee, you can use some tallow. Alright, pan-seared your salmon in the ghee, in the tallow. Serve with liver pate on the side. This combo provides 50 grams of protein plus vital nutrients from the organ meat. For dinner, you can use ground beef bowl. 8 ounces of ground beef, 80 to 20. 2 ounces of bone marrow and 1 ounce of beef tallow. Brown the beef and tallow mix in the bone marrow. This hearty meal delivers 60 grams of protein and plenty of energy-dense fats. Alright, post workout shake: 2 scoops of grass fed whey protein, 1 cup of raw milk, if tolerated, 1 raw egg yolk, berries or has some fruit, berries, mangoes, or bananas. Blend all the ingredients for a quick 50-gram protein boost after your workout. Tips for success: gradually increase milk fat intake to avoid digestive issues. Incorporate organ meats for micronutrients. Consider using a pre-workout during workouts for energy. Focus on compound exercises in progressive overload. Aim for 3 to 4 meals a day. Minimizing fasting period. Building muscle on the animal-based diet is absolutely possible and can be highly effective. Focus on high quality animal nutrients, including plenty of fats, and don't shy away from organ meats. Remember, consistency in both diet and training is a key to seeing results. Alright, bless everyone who saw this today. Be sure you provide some comments and if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and be sure to sign up for my free 90-day detox challenge at belikechrist.net. Thank you.